Hey guys, this is Razvan Dragos, and today we have a Philips Sonicare 4100 electric toothbrush unboxing. It's the front of the box. Removes up to 7 times more plaque. It's got a pressure sensor, a smart timer, reminder to replace your brush head, and a 2-week charge. It's also waterproof. This one has up to 31,000 brush strokes per minute. I'll just open it from the top, and it should slide right out. Inside you got some instruction manuals, extended warranty, and a quick start guide. Got the brush itself. It comes with one head. And a cover for it. This just goes on top like that. Charging cable. And the brush itself. To install it, you just take the head, put it on top, place it on, and to turn it on, you just press the button. Very nice toothbrush. To charge it up, you just put the bottom on this and it starts charging. This is Razvan Dragos, and thank you for watching.